Everyone, and welcome to today's What's in the Box. And today we're taking a look at the Honda S800 kit from Tamiya. It's the 1/24 scale engine detail kit. And this variation was initially released in 1997, but the tooling got started as the S800 racing variation. And this one came, I believe, after that within the same year, probably within a couple of months of each other, I believe. And then in 2005, the stock version got a reissue in a new box. Let's check it out. And now getting started with the body. And getting started now with parts tree A, which also contains the chassis as we usually get started with. So it's on there. It's more of a little frame over here. So there's the frame. And then there is the engine compartment. Over here we have the door panel, interior door panels, some other bits and pieces. And then over here we have the dash, two-piece dash with the rest of the frame, chassis, interior. Let's take a look at the dash real quick. And that'll be the interior tub as well. Everything will build on it. And now moving on to parts tree B, which you can see is molded in a nice shade of red. So it contains a little bit of everything pieces, wheels, body parts. So there are the wheels, not a whole lot of good detail on them. The chrome hubcaps are going to go over there, so it's going to cover up any detail anyways. You have the exhaust. Seats. Open out there in the back, kind of. Yeah. Here you have steering wheel. Part of the motorcycle engine. Essentially, I think that's what it was, just a motorcycle engine. Hard top. Hood, rear axle, brakes, spindles. And now we're going to take a look at the parts tree C, which is the engine, basically engine parts tree. And now we're going to take a look at parts tree D, which, as you can tell, is the chrome parts tree. So up here you have front and rear bumpers, hubcaps, whatever those pieces are for. You have the grille. And up here you have headlight buckets, wipers, handles, a lever. Now, taking a look at the clear parts tree, which you have a soft top roof option there, window for the hard top, windshield, and various lights, lenses. Now we're going to take a look at the blank sidewall roundy rounds. Now we're going to take a look at the decals and scripting. First, the decal sheet. So you have license plates. You'll need to paint the backing pieces for the license plates. Some gauge decals. And then a set of Honda metal transfers. Honda scripting metal transfers. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Honda S800 kit from Tamiya. And yes, I'm pretty sure if you want to get yourself some Honda color match paint, James and Scalefinishes might be able to get it some mixed up for you. Maybe, it just all depends. No guarantees, but you should at least try, if that's how you want to roll. So, on that note, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.